And we can move straight to the next part. The lady is transferring the body weight onto the left leg and raising the right hand above the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, back onto the right leg, raise the other hand up. The man's hands are going to cross behind the lady's neck like this. And now we want to uncross the man's hands. Lady's hands are going to cross in front of her. Lower the hands, man is placing the hands on the lady's waist. Let's now focus on the man's part. You're standing with your feet together. You will take a step to the right while raising your left hand above the lady's head, uncrossing the lady's hands and placing the palm of your hand on the lady's shoulder. Then you're going to transfer the body weight back onto the left leg while raising the right hand this time, leading it above the lady's head and placing the right palm on the lady's shoulder as well. Your hands are going to cross behind the lady's neck. At this point you want to be standing on both legs with your body weight between them. Then raise both your hands at the same time above the lady's head. Uncross your hands, crossing the lady's hands at the same time. Lady is going to let go of the hands, man is grabbing the lady's waist, and the lady is placing her hands on top of the man's hands. This is very important before the next part. Notice also that the lady is connecting her feet meanwhile. In the next part, lady is going to jump up with the help of the man. So the lady can place her palms on top of the man's palms like this, or grab the wrists of the partner. Try out both options and pick the one easier for you. From that point, lady is going to jump up. Both partners are going to bend the knees to prepare for the jump and to synchronize the timing. Remember that the lady is supposed to jump up as high as possible, and the man is just adding some height, some energy to it. It's not just the man lifting the lady. Before we jump, few pointers for the ladies. Remember to flex your core muscles a little bit to keep your back straight and chest forward. Avoid falling back onto the partner. And also remember to actually jump. Man is just going to help you to raise you a bit higher. And down and up. It is very important that the man slows down the lady on her way back down. So you're not only focusing on raising her, you need to focus even more on slowing down her fall on the way back on the ground. Remember to bend your knees as you're getting back down. This will absorb some energy. Also notice that the lady is leading her legs to the sides during the jump. Let's do it one more time. Bend the knees together and up, legs to the side for a split second, then land with both feet together, then shoulders width apart. So together, shoulders width apart, together, shoulders width apart.